Okay, so guys, welcome to a video. Okay, so guys, in this video, I'm going to make a video about how to fix a faulty laptop. So where I have a faulty laptop, I'm going to show you this one, and they had no battery, and everything looks so green. But a very old laptop. It named it HP Pavilion DV6 2010, and it had AMD Athlon M320. So I'm going to show you how to fix a laptop. Alright, I'm going to stop the video. So I did the laptop, and look, everything looks so clean. Alright, so I'm going to turn on this laptop. I need a charging the very good. Now I'm going to turn on. Oh look, the laptop just turned on, and we have no issue already anymore. Oh, what is it? Oh yeah. Set me password. I don't know the password. Oh, the password is. Alright, I'm waiting. Oh, you see, it is written prepare and automatically pair. So that's so bad. I'm blinking under the laptop. Just hold on. Oh yes, look, you can see guys. Look, they had automatically pair. So that is the problem. So I'm going to shut down. Oh come on, good. And I had also this also had a problem. It said overheating, but I will make it on later video. So I'm removing the SD right away. What is so stuck? I'm putting it. Okay, now the laptop. Okay, so now the laptop just turned on. Oh, I just got a password. Good. Alright, so got a password. Now let me check that if it work or not. And yes, I have to reapply this new thermal pay, and they said that the window working so bad. So I want to check that patches that which had a features. So let them load. Oh come on, just be quick, I'm waiting. Get in device already. Okay, I'm waiting. I can't wait anymore. Let me check how much I make a video. Oh 6 minutes. That I feel long because I need to make up I think so under 20 minutes. Because YouTube don't allow me to make a very long video. They allow me 15 minutes. Short range. Alright, so it is loading. I'm waiting. Oh, it's already getting ready. Oh, it's turned off. Yeah. I think so. It is restarted. Alright, be quick. And wait, I want to see issue. Shut down automatic when come lock screen. Oh, it means when they come lock screen, they shut down automatic. That's so bad. I'm waiting. Oh, come on, can you be quick? I have a lot of things and my deck is small. Oh, good. Look, it come the lock screen. And look, no, look. So will and yes. Okay. Oh my god, this packet is so bad. It is using AMD Athlon Dogo 2 M320. Huh? What happened? Oh, I don't know. Yeah. They are right. Yeah. Sorry, I was wrong. Yes, they are right. So I think so. I have to reapply this thermal pay, which is going to be very difficult. I have to scratch down everything. There will be a big long progress. So hope so I can do it. Let's try. Okay, I'm starting. Okay, look, I have found a problem. This is the mic, where we put the mic. It was not working because I can see there was a ribbon cable disconnect. It was not connected, it was disconnected. So I found a problem. There are different CPU cooler, it had this why. So sadly, so I can't remove the one. I had to be very careful, very careful. So let's do. Perfect. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna to test that if it work or not. Oh, it is charging. Look, it is working. Now I have to install GB RAM, hard drive, everything. Very good. Yeah, it look the fan is working. Look, so good. Very good. Very good. Okay, so guys, there is a 2 GB RAM, and he said no the GB RAM, but you can change if it damaged. So I'm not gonna put the GB RAM because it is only one tick. So you know what I'm going to do. So look, there is total 2 GB RAM. One is the GB RAM, and the other one is GB RAM. If you put two tick, it performance is excellent. But if you put only one tick, then the performance become much slower. So let's put. Okay, so girl, I'm finally done. Ah, there was a long thing. Okay, now let me put. Okay, it's working now. Yeah, now look, everything is working normal. And look again, feed the fan is working now. But I hope that it should be cool. Okay, so guys, if you like the video, then subscribe to our video. Of course, this laptop is always slow because it's too old laptop. I don't know what them and don't upgrade processor, GB, RAM. I can upgrade for them for the better performance, but they said they don't upgrade my and don't change something. So I said okay, I will not upgrade. So strange. If I upgrade, the performance will be 3 times faster than before. You know. And now I install one tick of 1 GB and the other tick of 1 GB, so the perform should it look like it should be better. And yes, and the laptop is too old, around 2010. So I don't know why the man don't buy a new laptop. I can recommend them. Alright, so we are here. Yeah, look, and you know they had 323 MB graphic card, Radeon HD 4200 series. Alright, well, let me check it working. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yes, it working. Alright, so they're perfect. 64-bit Windows 10 Pro. Okay, so guys, if you like the video, then subscribe to our channel. I did a lot of hard work. I'm not so tired. Okay, so guys, subscribe to our video. Goodbye. Mwah.